In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, you can be able to manually add up a subtitle if you want, or it can be able to be like it can be added through if a music is playing in the background of the video. How do I mean? If you click on this text now, I'm going to be able to see add text auto captions. So let's say if I click on add text, I'm able to come on here and manually add up the caption you want on each playment segment of the video. But if you click on this auto captions, you're going to be able to see this generate from video, auto dictate. So what I need to do, I'll just click on this generate down below. So it's currently generating captions from this video. So this is how you can basically do this. So I'm going to just wait. So it's currently adding the subtitles. So once it is done now, you'll see how it's going to appear. You can see this is still generating the captions for this, but I think like it's taking a bit long. So but like this was like what I basically wanted to show you guys, that you can be able to do this from your own end. So this is it. So you need to select the template you want to use for this. Then once you are done, you can be able to do this. So you can see it's currently on a month use for now. So this is why I'm telling you guys to upgrade or to use the Pro for you to be able to get all these benefits well enough. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.